I don't want to teach you bad thing, but you see this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a fake chat. Yes, you see all those chat that I used to see on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere, that you say, my client sent me this. But see, look at my response from a response from my client. My boyfriend said this. They say that all those fake chat that you are seeing, that they screenshot it as an evidence, or some people that want to teach you something online, and then this is the testimony from this is the testimony from it. My dear, it's all scam. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate it also. And in this website, you can generate both video calls, both Instagram chat, anything fake, like to just prove your evidence. It could be video call, it could be voice note, anything that you can do, like just all those fake chat that you used to see everywhere, whether from TikTok, from Twitter, from Facebook, from WhatsApp. It's not going to take much of your time. It's a very simple thing to do. So what you need to do is to head over to this website called fakedetails.com, and you see something like this. Search for fakedetails.com. Okay, as you can see, the first website on your list, look at it, fake details generator. So just go ahead and click this fake WhatsApp chat generator. Go ahead and click it, and here you go. Look at it. As you can see, if you want the chat to be on desktop view or an Android or iPhone, so just go ahead and click it. If it is desktop view, just go ahead and click this desktop view, and if it is iPhone, just go ahead and click this iPhone. As you can see, it's already on Android view. Look at it here. You can change the network setting, the time. You can also change the battery percent. Look at it. Look at this thing. You can change the battery option. There's an option for the battery. You can change the battery to horizontal or vertical, and also you can change the battery percent here. Look at it. It's currently on 50%. Let's leave it on 50%. But if you want to change it, just go ahead and click it. And also, if you want the phone to be dual SIM or single SIM, here you can look at it very well. You can just go ahead and click this check button. So let's go ahead and generate a fake WhatsApp chat. Let's see. Just go ahead and click this add message. So if you click that add message, it will take you here. Look at it very well. So here you have two options, the sender and the receiver. The sender is you sending the person message. The receiver is the message that you want the person to send to you. For example, come here. Let me say I like your product, right? If you type it, then just scroll down here and click this send, and you can see, look at it. Now this is you sending the person message. As you can see, I like your product. This hi and hello is just a default. You can remove it. As you can see, there's this bin icon there. If you click it, you remove this default one. Now if you want the person to reply you, the message that you want the person to reply you, come to this receiver. Let's say thanks. As you can see, look at it, thanks. And you can also edit it. Okay guys, and you know one thing, you can actually change the background of the WhatsApp conversation to make it look more realistic. Do you understand? Like if you want to change the background of the conversation, the wallpaper of the WhatsApp, just come here and click this change background. Do you understand? Look at it. If you click this change background and click this add icon, this plus icon, it will take you to your gallery, and then you upload a picture of yourself. Yes, just go ahead and upload a picture, and the background of the conversation will change to your own picture. It will make it look more realistic, as if it's the real. As you can see, guys, this is so real. It's so real to be fake. Do you understand? Believe anything you see on social media at your own risk. This is so real, and a lot of business owners do come here, generate this fake chat, and then they'll put it online. You'll be there depressed, thinking that you are not doing well, or thinking that, oh, this person is actually doing very well. Oh, I like this. They just do this to deceive you. A lot of people, a lot of content creators, and a lot of people selling product online, they will come here, generate this kind of message, post it online to show you that, oh yes, this is evidence, this is a proof that we do this, we do that. Be very careful when you are dealing with people online. And also here, if you look at this very well, fake WhatsApp video call generator, you can also generate a fake video call also. Let's try it out. Just click it. As you can see, you can change the preference of the video. Okay, if you come here, you look at this person one. If you want to generate the fake video call, this is person one and then person two. So for you to generate this, just look at this pencil icon. Click the pencil icon. If you click it will take you to your gallery. Then you upload a picture. It will take you to a picture that you want to use. Yes, you post for a picture as if you are making call. Then you upload the picture. Then you come to this person too. Then you click the pencil icon again, and then you upload. It will take you to your gallery, and then you upload a picture of how the person post. You understand? So just play around with it. And here also, you can turn any image or link into a scannable QR code in a second. Do you understand? As you can see, look at that thing moving around. So any image or link that you want to turn it to a QR code, you can come here. If you click it, it will take you to where you do it. So you can upload the link or the picture, and it will turn it to a QR code. So when someone just scan it, it will show the person the product. Do you understand? If they scan the QR code, it will show the person the product or where you want them to land. So just go ahead and play around with it. And then also you can also generate a fake group chat from this website. So for you to do that, just come here. Just come here. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Go down, look at it, group chat. If you want to generate a fake group chat, this is what those people selling courses, this is what they do. Those people teaching people online, doing tutorial, they'll be like, oh, this is what my students say, this is how my students are doing so well, my students are this, they are doing, they reply me this is where they do it from. Some of them are fake, while some are real. I'm not saying there are not real people out there. A lot of people come here, generate this, and then they'll post it online. And then if you not be careful, you fall victim. Do you understand? Until you purchase the product or you pay for the cost, that's when you realize that, oh, these people, this thing that I pay for is not actually worth it. So this is where most of them generate that kind of response from. And this is basically how you can generate a fake WhatsApp chat and a fake WhatsApp call. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I do really appreciate your support. This is How To by Big Journal, where we teach you how to basically do anything. So if you have anything that you want to make video about, or anything that you don't know and you really want to know it and you want us to make video about, just drop your comment at the comment section and we'll make the video and tag you, explain it in details for you. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. We do really appreciate your support. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your engagement is what keeps us creating. Thank you so much, and we love you. Bye.